Okay, it has been a little while since I've done one of these. I'm going to do another smoke test. Lots of things have changed, but yeah, let's go through. One thing I will mention is I've added a couple more points here to edit the flow to include multiple steps and then mention it in another issue. Andrew brought up an old video that I did about a month ago where I tested flows with multiple steps and they behaved in a manner I didn't expect. They essentially ran all the steps in parallel instead of sequentially, which is a bit weird. I'm not certain this is fixed, so let's add it to the test and we can keep testing it, right? Okay, so we want to go to the test project. We want to search for a joke agent. So let's go to agents. That's interesting. Why do we have a bunch of agents called delete me, delete me, delete me, please? This smells like something I would create, but let's see. It was created on November 20th inside AI Catalog Test Project. So let's have a look here then. Agents. They are agents, aren't they? Yeah. Managed. What? Okay, so these don't exist. I don't know what these are. Somebody figure this out for me. I'm going to pretend these aren't here and carry on with the test. This is interesting. Let's look at this. Okay, well, I guess I'll go straight to the catalog this way then. Let me just close that tab. We can go straight to catalog for agents. And I want to search for the Joker. There he is. Enable in project. Catalog. Test. This one. Enable. It has been enabled. Let's go back. Again, this is not ideal, but it's working. There he is. Joker demo. Let's start taking these off. So we went to the test project. We searched the Joker agent. We added to the project. Now we want to chat to it. Nope. This one. Oh, my delete me's are there. That's interesting. Joker demo. Delete me. Write me a joke about delete me. Seems to be working. Okay. Did I click the wrong thing? Joker demo. Who are you? Your GitLab Joe chat. You are not the Joker. Okay, so I can't chat to it. Good. That's interesting. Okay, let's carry on. Let's disable it. And I tried, so I'll cross it off. Create a new agent. 2025, 11/26. Wow, I did skip a few days. Delete me, although private system prompt. Let's get my agent example in here. Available tools. What was it? User search. That's what we want. Create agent. And we have to enable it. Catalog test. And it is enabled. Now, if we refresh the page, can we? There it is. Delete me. Hang on. Who Who are you? You better not be Joe Chat. Oh, you are Joe Chat. Okay, so custom agent selection just doesn't work anymore. Good. I'm not going to bother editing it and chatting to it again because, like, I know it's not going to work. So let's delete it. Okay, that worked. Let's hope we have more luck with floors. Let's hide chat. Go away. Oh, this is from yesterday. It's called delete me. So let's. Can I delete it? Delete. Yeah. Okay. We didn't see that one. That one I can delete. That was leftover from a different test that I should have deleted yesterday. That's fine. We've gone to the test project. We want to find an existing floor. Let's have a look what we've got. Test floor GQL. What does this do? Well, that took a long time. Let's just stick with the ones that I know. Let's have a copy of test. There we are. Good old copy of test. Let's enable it in the group. The group is this one. Let's go to that group, please. Oh, goddamn. I can go into frequently visited now. So, no, I don't need to go to that group. I want to go to the project. I want to automate the flows. Enable flow from group. Copy of test. There it is. Enable. Right. Okay. It's there. Private project, public. It's in there. Everything should have been created behind the scenes. So found existing flow. We've added it to the group. Added to the project. We want to assign it an MR. Do we have any MRs? We do not. So we should create one. It really doesn't matter what we change because we're gonna delete it anyway. Commit and create a new branch. Yeah, that's fine. Create a merge request. Good. I might as well assign it straight in here actually. So this one? No, that's yesterday's. It should be called AI hyphen copy of test. There it is. Let's assign it. Let's create a merge request. Processing the request and starting the agent. I will open this in the background while we skip a few steps and go and create a new flow because these flows take a little while to run. So let's say new flow. New flow is test flow. Yeah, that's whatever. This I'm gonna stick with this default config. Let's see what it does. Yeah, it creates a component, sets a model. This is coming out because you can set the model here, but it's actually overridden by settings. Just FYI, I guess. So prompt over your GitLab Duo chat and Exuntic AI assistant. Right, okay, so I'm going to update this. You are an issue summarizer. You actually, let me copy what I wrote from this one. There we go. User prompt. say goal. That's fine, right? Create flow. So did I give it any tools? No. Yes? No? No. You know what? Let's see what it does without any tools. Go from there. Let's check in on this one. In theory. Hello world. There we go. Okay, so that works. We can... There's what we're up to. We're gonna... There's our test flow. We created it. We want to enable. In this project, it's going to go bam, because I haven't added it to the group. So let's go add it to the group. No. I need to go to the... Oh, God. I need to go to the catalog to add it to the group. Catalog flows. It should be at the top. Did I just call it test flow? I'm not following my naming convention here. Right, enable it in the group. Yeah, enable it in this group. Good. Good, good, good. And now we can enable it in this project. Probably. Enable it in this project. Must have a parent item consumer, but it should. Because I enabled it in this group. Did I not? I did. Okay, that's annoying. What if... Oh, not that. Refresh the page. Now I'd try and enable it. Okay, I can't enable it that way. That's really annoying. What if I go flows, enable flow from group, test flow, enable. Okay, so, right, it works that way. It doesn't work on... That's interesting. Oh, we'll get there. Right, we want to mention it in an issue. Plan issues. Let's see how we go. Update README. Why not? Let's see. At AI test flow. I named you poorly. Let's see what this one does. Right, while we're there, let's go back to not here. Flows, because we want to disable copy of test because it's done. And then we want to go up to the group and do the same. Flows. Copy of test. Disable. That's interesting. We deleted that earlier in the video, so why does it still exist? It still exists. And I seemingly can't do anything with it despite being the creator. Still exists. This is interesting. Something to look into. Let's not dwell on it too much. My agent has started. Let's see what it's doing. Starting the flow, processing the request and starting the agent. Good. Let's see that in the job. Job succeeded. Did it though? But did it do anything? No? Okay, maybe it's because it didn't have the tools. That's interesting. Okay. So it did something, but it resulted in nothing. Right, let's edit it. Let's give it the tools it needs. What tools did I say? Get workout notes. Where's the tool sets? Get workout notes. And get workout. Okay. Let's try it one more time. That's not where I want it to be. Issues is where I want it to be. Are you still there? Okay. I did want to test it with multiple steps, but if this doesn't work, I'm not going to bother. Okay, we've got no activity. Let's look at the job. Come on. Come on. Oh, everything all at once. Right. It's completed, apparently. And it did absolutely nothing. Good. Okay. Okay, calling it there. Never mind.